Oo, okay. Yung mga bura, hindi natin tropa yon. Hindi natin sila bati. Awin yung mga buraot, hindi natin kabati yung mga yon. Yung mga nambuburaot sa buhay ng may buhay, yung mga ganon. Hayaan nyo sila. Again, ulitin ko naman yung sinabi ko kagabi. Tandaan nyo, yung mga nambuburaot sa inyo, yung gumagawa ng masama sa inyo, yung ginagawa kayo ng hindi maganda dahil sa sobrang inggit sa inyo, hindi mo kailangang gantihan, wala kang kailangang gawin. Bakit? Yung ginawa nilang mali. Yun mismo yung ginawa nilang mali sa'yo. Yun yung sisira sa pagkatao nila. Di ba? In case you don't know, now you know. Di ba? Oh yeah. Definitely. Yun. Yung tatandaan nyo, ha? Hindi nyo kailangan kumante, hindi nyo kailangan manira. Ipagdasal nyo. Yung mga dapat nyong ipagdasal, yung mga kaaway nyo, ipagdasal nyo. Ako, araw-araw ko pinagdadasal, Lord, sana madapa. Yun ang the best na gawin, di ba? Panalangin mo lang. Diba? Mauna yung muso, putok puwet. Baka sabihin mo ano ba to si DJ Tommy J? Kaumpisa pa lang, puro kung ano nang pinapanalangin at well, if you've been in my shoes. Sige, enough already. 8, ayan, okay, 7, 8, 25. Ayan, July 8, 2025 ang ating date ngayon. So, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And join me for another Tuesday edition of the Night Jam Radio Show. Maulan pa rin, hindi pa rin tumitigil si Rainy. Si paring Wayne Rainy. Okay, ano ba ito? Ba't ang layo ng mouse? Ayan. Teka lang ha, huwag kayo magulo. Dali, lalapit natin. Maiksi lang yung braso ko. Kasi hindi naman ako katangkaran. Pero gwapo pa rin. Ayan, okay. Ayan, I guess ayan na. Okay na. Malapit na malaglag yung camera. Okay na yan. Okay. Ayan, so again, good evening. July 8, 2025 edition of this radio show. And time for me to give you today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday segment, syempre. Okay? What's going on for July 8? Pero bago yan, this segment is being brought to you by Royal Duty Free Shops. Royal Duty Free. Yeah, yun yung team song nila noon, di ba? Yung, ewan ko kung ngayon iba na yata, Yun, 1 to 27, 2025. Okay? Pati na rin ang Golden Steels promo. Ongoing din ang Golden Steels, ha? Yung Golden Steels is from June 29 to July 5. Kaya tapos na. Tapos na pala. Okay, but yeah, anyways, ongoing yung bestsellers promo for the whole month of July, okay? And they are inviting you to try their shop from home, okay? May mga mag-aasikaso sa inyo, may mga mag-a-assist, may pwedeng mag-assist if you want to shop from home. Yung tipong hindi ka naaalis at the comfort of your home, doon ka na mag-shopping, di ba? Okay? So, only call them up. Their landline number, 2523258 ng Royal Duty Free. That landline alone can get you connected with their home shopping assistance, okay? Pero aside from that number, yung official cellphone number para sa home shopping network. Home shopping network, no? If you home pala, ibig sabihin nun, okay? Ito yung number 0 okay? 0 8541 okay? So, ayun po. Yung, those are the numbers if you wanna shop from home. And Royal Duty Free, okay? I know it's hard to remember all those numbers down in tatlong cellphone numbers. You just go the official Facebook page of Royal Duty Free. It's posted there. Nandun yung cellphone numbers that I mentioned. Okay? Ladies and observances. Okay, what's going on for July 8? Ito, let me tell you. Today is, ano nga ba? It's Day in Ukraine. Sa Ukraine to. Right now, very busy yan. Yung kanilang Air Force and Air Defense Forces. Dahil they're at war with Russia. Okay? Is Coca-Cola Day. Wow, Coca-Cola Day. Coca-Cola. Sino yung mga mahilig sa pag biniligtad no? Yung isa, ano ako? Okay, Coca-Cola. It was the day that Coca-Cola was invented. Tama ba ako? Coincides with the Japan. Here, when it was invented, yung Coca-Cola itself, it was invented as the inventor of Coca-Cola, 1831. Kaya pala Coca-Cola Day ngayon. In the year 86, he Coca-Cola but sold the rights to the shortly before his death in 1888. Yun. So, there you go. So, he with yung cure for hiccup. Sabi, yun daw muna yun lang talaga yung hinahanap niya dati. Cure for hiccup. And then, yun, he came up with Coca-Cola na masarap inumin, very refreshing. See? Sometimes, di ba, yung mga bagay that we're searching for, yung gusto nating gawin, gusto nating i-create, ang i-create na ibang bagay pa no? Na para doon. And another similar story to that was the creation of the pill called Viagra. Okay? Alam mo ba, when Viagra was created, it was not really intentionally made for, what it's for right now. Iba yung intention, original intention. I forgot kung ano yung talagang original intention, but they came up. Pero, they stumbled upon it na pwede palang mangyari yung ganon. So, there you go. They came up with Viagra. Ingat lang kayo ng Viagra kasi may kailangan ng reseta yan, ha? It's not for everybody, di ba? Kailangan ng reseta yan. Kailangan, it was recommended to you by a doctor. And yung doctor, syempre, bago ka payagang uminom yan, may thorough checking sa'yo. Di ba? Checking ka muna if it's fit for you, kung pwede ba sa'yo, or kung hindi, di ba? Tsaka ingat din kayo dahil may nabibili rin na peking Viagra. Oo, nagkalat din sa market yung mga fake. Alam niyo ba? May kaibigan ako dati na bumili niyan. So, ininom yung Viagra. Hindi niya alam na fake eh. Alam niyo nangyari? Nagka-stiff neck. Nagka-stiff neck siya. Bakit siya nagka-stiff neck? Nung ininom niya yung fake na Viagra? Kasi nga fake yun. Di ba? So, ang tumigas. Fake yun na inom niya. So, it was hindi dun sa intended meant to be. Okay, so back to today's holidays and observances. We have a couple more. Let's check the other holidays and observances. Ito pa. It's Video Games Day. Ayan. Do you guys know that? Video Games Day. And what else? National Freezer Pop Day. You know what's the Freezer Pop? Yung mga flavored juices na gagawin mong popsicle. Ayun. Freezer Pop ang tawag kasi sa US dyan sometimes no? Okay, freezer pop. Kunyari, you make timpla, orange juice, yung concentrated, tapos lalagyan mo ng stick, tapos i-freezer mo. Magiging orange popsicle siya. Ganoon, yun. That's freezer pop. Okay? So, there you have it. Just a few holidays and observances for today. And for all of you birthday celebrants, yung mga nagbe-birthday naman ngayon, this one is for you, famous birthday segment.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Famous people, celebrities, and the like celebrating the birthdays today. Ayan, let's find out sino yung mga sikat na nagbe-birthday ngayon. One of them is Ces Drilon. Are you guys still familiar with Ces Drilon? Filipino television journalist, July 1961. Okay? Miss Universe actress, Chat Silayan, July 8, 1959. Uh-huh. Miss Universe Pilipinas, of course, okay? And next up we have happy birthday also to Jaden Smith, the son of Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith. You know, he used to be cool when he was younger. I don't know why things went south for kind of like for his career. All right, and the beautiful Maya Hawke turns 27 today. And for those who don't know, those who are not familiar with Maya Hawke, she's the beautiful actress, cast member of Stranger Things. You know why she's so beautiful? She is the daughter of Uma Thurman and Ethan Hawke. Diba? Uma Thurman is a supermodel, and you know Ethan Hawke is a handsome actor na heartthrob when he was young, diba? And Penelope Disick, the daughter of Scott Disick, and I forgot which Kardashian, one of the Kardashians also. Okay, so kasama siya sa Keeping Up with the Kardashians. And country singer Toby Keith was born July 8, 1961. I didn't know he passed away 2024, just last year. Hindi ko nabalitaan, ha? Toby Keith is a good country singer. And movie actor Milo Ventimiglia, all right? He was, he rose to stardom, superstardom, when he was casted as one of the heroes in the TV series Heroes. All right? You guys remember Heroes? There you go. He's among them. And Mr. Kevin Bacon turns 67 today. Do you guys still remember Kevin Bacon? He was Mr. Footloose, and he was Hollow Man. Yeah. And he's in numerous movies. Marami pang ibang movies. Ayan. Kevin Bacon turned 67 today. Happy birthday to you. Very good actor. To pop singer Sky Ferreira turns 33 today. Movie actress Angelica Houston, 74. She is Mrs. Adams in the Addams Family movie. Okay, yung naunang version, ha? The earlier version of it, not the new one. Okay. TV actor Michael Weatherly turns 57 today. Dami nag-birthday ngayon. And comedian Sebastian Maniscalco. In case you're not familiar with Sebastian Maniscalco, he is a stand-up comedian. He's very, very good. You can check his works on YouTube. It's all uploaded there. Nandun sa YouTube yung mga works ni Sebastian Maniscalco. And he turns 52 today. He was born July 8, 1973. Happy birthday to you. One of my favorite comedians. Okay, so these and like celebrating the birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, July 8 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Naghang. And may mga igigreet din tayo, ha? Hindi natin babatiin. Igigreet natin ng mga kaibigan natin. Ayan. Isa na doon yung kaibigan natin dito sa Radyo Bandera. Ayan. Kilala ni DJ Giselle. Si Ate Juliet Lapada Sereno. Ayan. Happy birthday, Ate Juliet, ha? Okay, na personally pambinati ni ano ni Vice Jong Cortez. Sosyalin. Happy. Yeah, she's our good friend here at Radyo Bandera. She used to do the morning show. Am I right? Morning show. Yeah. Si Kuya Ramil Fariñas, aka Ram Ram. Happy birthday, pare ko. We go way back. We were classmates back in high school ni Kuya Ram Ram. Pati na rin si Ate Jo English. You speak English or she will not understand you. Pero Joan English celebrated her birthday a couple of days ago. Yan. Tsaka si Ate Julie Sionson. Yan. Pareho silang July 6. Okay? Alright. So I